Hi friends, this is the unboxing video of Lava Iris 504Q. So this is the phone, this is the box packaging, it's sealed at the moment, and let's just quickly take a look at the specs of the phone. On the back we see that it has 12.7 centimeter 5-inch HD IPS screen with OGS, that is one glass solution technology, Android 4.2, fast 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, that is MTK 6589 processor, and of course it supports 3G, Wi-Fi, GPS and Bluetooth, and it has all sorts of sensors. It supports USB on the go, and this was a big USP of this phone, that it supports USB on the go. We have an 8 megapixel autofocus camera with BSI sensor and 2 megapixel front camera, a long lasting 2000 mAh battery with battery booster. I guess that's some sort of a software. 2000 mAh, not really high, not really low. I would have preferred it to be around 2400 or 2500 mAh. 4 GB ROM, 1 GB RAM, that is the standard config. And another USB of this phone is this 8.4 thickness, that is pretty thin. Okay, and so this is how the phone looks. So let's just open it up, and I'm going to uh, cut this seal off here. I'll just pause the video for that. So I have broken the seal. Let's take it out of the box now. And I'm recording this with another Lava phone. I'm using Q800 at the moment to record this video, so you can also judge the video recording quality of that phone with this. And I'm sorry, I'm having a little trouble with here. And as you can see, this is the phone right here. This is how the phone looks. Let's just take it out. So this is the phone, and it's damn thin, very thin phone, and very light. Of course the battery is not installed. Let's see what else we have in the box. And these are all the accessories we get, and this is really great by Lava. We also get a flip cover, an intelligent flip cover, which means that when we flip the cover off, the display goes off and it will save the battery life. So this is the cover, and the white color one, so nice and interesting thing. And of course this is the thin 2000 mAh battery, and surprisingly it's out of its cover. I don't know why. It's 2000 mAh, should last all day, I think so. And we get the standard charger. You just plug in your USB cable here to charge. And this is the headphone, pretty standard stuff. The build quality seems to be pretty low, I think so. And we get the USB cable, and of course the main feature of this phone is USB on the go, so we also get a USB OTG cable. So this is great by Lava. And we get two screen protectors in the box, so that is another generous thing by Lava. And of course, last but not the least, we have the user manual, and it's not in color, but it's okay. All the basic things are listed in there, and I would suggest you go through this before you use the phone if you are a novice. And now let's take a look at the phone. Oops. Anyway, let's just take it out of the covering. It's a pretty tightly packed in this plastic. Alright, so this is the phone, and it's very attractive, very thin phone. So the build quality of the phone seems pretty satisfactory to me. As you can see, the plastic is of decent quality. Let's just take a hardware overview of the phone. This is the 5-inch OGS display up front. We have the 3 capacitive buttons at the bottom, and on the right hand side we have the volume rocker, which is conveniently placed here right at the thumb. And on this left hand side we have this power button, and of course on the front side we have this nice chrome speaker grill. and we have the camera. This is the speaker grill. We have the camera over here. We have a couple of sensors, and on top we have the USB and charging port, and of course this is the headphone jack. On the bottom there is only a mic hole. On the back we have the 8 megapixel camera with an LED flash, and we have a secondary mic for noise cancellation. At the bottom we have the Iris 504Q name, and with this is the speaker grill over here, and of course in the middle we have this Lava logo. So let me just open up the back cover. Okay, over here we have a little cavity, and let's just pop open the back cover. This is the back cover, pretty sturdy, as good as Samsung Galaxy S3, I would say. And this is the inside of the phone. We have the two SIM card slots over here. In the middle we have the SD card slot, and this is the speaker. So let me put in the battery now. This is the 2000 mAh battery, and I'll just turn on the phone now. And this is how the screen looks. And we get this nice animation with sound. We put on the back cover. And this is how the phone looks first boot. In fact, let me just turn on the flash. So this is the lock screen. This is Android 4.2.1. So you get the lock screen widgets. So let's just unlock the phone, and of course this is the startup. Well, this is how it looks. We get 5 home screen panels. Phone is pretty snappy, and let me just go into the settings and show you the Android version. This is Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. This is the camera interface. It's a pretty standard thing. It has this zero shutter delay option, and it supports full HD videos. And as you can see, the viewing angles are pretty steep. Brightness is set at auto. And as you can see, the phone comes pre-installed with several applications like this Cricket Fever, this Hangama application. There is something called Fusion. This you get this Modern Combat 2. So there is and this also something called Variety Theme. You also get WhatsApp pre-installed, so you can uninstall those apps if you don't want. Let's see the storage, and we have around 1 GB of internal storage. At the moment I haven't installed any SD card. Let's take a look at the app storage we get, and we get around 824 MB free for apps. And about the RAM, we get around 624 MB RAM free. This is the messaging app you get. This is the standard Android messaging app. You get smileys in this, that's nice. This is the stock 4.2 keyboard. There's no swipe, I think so. And this is the stock dialer. We don't have any SD card in there, so we can only make emergency call at the moment. Of course, this is the call log, and this is your contact list.